banks and braes, o bonny doon, how can ye bloom so fresh and fair? How can ye chant, ye lads aboard, and I say weary through o care? Thou break my heart, thou wobbling board that wantons through the flower and thorn. Thou minds me o departed joys, departed never to return. Oft I rove by bonny Doon to see the rose and woodbine twine, and ilka bird sang o' its love, and fondly say did I o' mine will lysome heart a a rose who sweet upon its thorny tree, and my first lover